Hi, I'm Joe Cook with the Arizona Geological Survey. It's August 13th, 2018, and I'm in Apache Junction, Arizona. This is Houston Avenue. We got a call from the county that an earth fissure opened underneath the road and damaged the road. And so we're out here checking this out. This is a long-lived fissure. It's been here since at least the 1980s, and it opened in a big way last year. Late July of 2017 we were out here, and we have an updated map of this Apache Junction fissure study area. This year it opened up under the road and the road is cracked, so we're here to check out the extent, if there's any new fissures, what part of the fissure failed, what part of the road failed, and then the fissure is very visible in the desert to the north. There's some state trust land, and this fissure runs all the way up to baseline and meridian. So we're basically out here to do a check on this active portion of the fissure, and if we need to, we can update our maps. I'm going to walk back to the active part of the fissure that opened up underneath the road. Okay, so now we're standing on Houston Avenue right where the earth fissure intersects the road. So this is to the north. You can see the earthen part of the earth fissure. There's a bunch of desert broom and large vegetation growing along it. It's hard to tell from this vantage point. We'll go up closer in a minute. But this crack extends to depth. It gets pretty narrow. We don't exactly know how deep it goes, but it comes underneath the road. And here's the fix of the road from last year. And basically what we're looking at here is the concrete part of this road is completely undermined. There's no soil or anything underneath it, and the blacktop has fallen in just into the void. So all this material that was underneath this portion of the road has been swallowed into the fissure. So this is the same place that it failed last year, and with a good monsoon storm and interception of a lot of storm water, the erosion along the fissure has happened again and damaged the road. So we're standing next to the earth fissure north of Houston Avenue. So we're on the portion of the fissure that's between Baseline Road and Houston Avenue. And here we have multiple active fissure strands. There's one to my left, there's two to my right. The drainage in this area wants to run from east to west, and everywhere that these channels intersect the fissure, they cut down in, and so the channels on the east side are very incised, and the channels on the west side are basically abandoned. So all the water that falls in this desert here gets channeled into the fissure, which helps erode it and keep it active. So there's portions of this fissure behind me that are not that deep. You could see the desert broom growing out of there. There's portions to the north that are very deep. They're deep, narrow cracks, probably at least 25, 30 feet deep that we can tell. And then there's other areas that have been temporarily filled in with sediment. And depending on the storm, that can either get flushed down to greater depths or it can fill in the fissure. But generally, this part of the fissure closer to Houston Avenue is pretty active and deep. The portion closer to Baseline and Meridian seems to be more flat-bottomed and filled in. But with the monsoon season, we generally see new fissures forming parallel to old fissures, existing fissures becoming deeper. So this part of the valley still has active fissure processes happening.